Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's see what we have in here. You let your bad days affect you too much. You don't let your good days affect you enough. Fix that. I am what I am, and I accept it. Any meeting without food really should be an email. This is your life, and you're letting people make you unhappy in your own life? Why? Fall in love with your life. Wake up early, buy your favorite drink, go for walks, eat your favorite foods, wear what makes you feel confident, and listen to your favorite music. Purposefully create these small moments that make you fall in love with your life. Friend, are you getting enough sleep? Me, sometimes when I sneeze, my eyes close. Ever relate? New parents, college exams, etc.? Some days my patience is like a gift card. I'm not sure how much is left on it, but we can give it a try. Do you skateboard or snowboard? No, I only cuticle board. How to make yourself happier. Practice smiling. Help others. Go for a walk, lift weights, or laugh for a half hour. Work from home or move closer to work so there's less commuting. Spend time with someone who will lift your mood. Try a new hobby. All right, and today's cards. Affirmation. To be nobody but yourself in a world which is doing its best day and night to make you like everybody else means to fight the hardest battle which any human being can fight and never stop fighting. What is one part of your inner life that you truly enjoy? Do one thing today to honor this part of you. It's okay to try again. Play. May you seek out fun and connection. And the last card today, 3838, success. I am destined for success. With dedication and hard work, I achieve my goals and dreams. I celebrate my achievements and continue to strive for greatness. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.